So, there you go. What do you think? Looks nice, I think. Replace the black badge. Stopped at Audi today to get an idea how to, get rid of all this chrome. So apparently my service guy has the same car and have done some work. So I'm gonna be working with him to do that. So I'm gonna black out all this chrome, do some chrome delete, some few mods that I've done. So you can see I've made some changes, to my shifter. Got some chrome. Those chromes came with it, but I'm thinking about doing a chrome on this as well. I've actually taken out the front grille. I'm waiting for that, the black piece of it. As soon as in the mail come in, I'm gonna change it as well. I got this, but they were the wrong ones because, as you can see right here, there is a sensor right here. So when you take this out, the one that I got will not fit here. So I've reordered a new one. It's in the mail coming. Hopefully I can make a video on that and show you guys as well. But I had to have somebody help me with this, and he did it really nicely. That is, he didn't really like take out the whole bumper to fit this in. He kind of went underneath it, unscrew some stuff, and then right underneath, right under the hood, there's a thing right here, the little thing that you kind of push on the side for the hood to come up. He like unscrew all of that, went inside. Behind it, there's some screws. So he unplugged the two sensors, like this one right here, and the other one is right here. So he unplugged those. There's some screws behind there. He unscrewed those, and it was just like easily like just came out, which was like, wow. I've seen everybody done it where they took out the entire bumper, they're taking out all these pieces right here, and it just looked kind of scary. So I was like, you know what, I've never done this, so I gotta take it to somebody that knows what they're doing. But yeah, there you go. So, the other thing that I did, I bought some links to like kind of lower the car down, but found out that I have springs, but I don't have the air suspensions. This one didn't come with the air suspension, so I'm definitely gonna be looking at some springs to lower the car and work with my guy at Audi to get me the biggest, like wider wheels that I can get to make sure that it flush, but not necessarily like rubbing on the body of the car. So if you can see, I also took out the VT V6T that usually is right here, and I just put the S line because, you know, I think this kind of look cool. So all right, that's it. I'll make more videos as I make changes on the car and as I do other stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.